Today's video we are going to discuss about the different case laws related to transgenders' rights. Here we are going to discuss these 5 case laws. The first case law is related to the transgenders' rights, which is NALSA versus Union of India case of 2014. In this case, Supreme Court recognized transgender individual as third gender. So this was the first point. The second point related to this judgment is Supreme Court also directed the central government and the state government to ensure their social and economic rights. So this was one of the significant judgments related to the rights for the transgenders. The second important judgment, which was not directly linked to the transgender right, however, it created a background created a basis for further upholding of the different rights of transgenders, like later cases of Navtesh Singh Johar case or related cases. Case Puttaswamy is a famous judgment where Supreme Court said that right to privacy is a fundamental right protected under Article 21, which protects the liberty and the right to life and liberty of individuals. Third case is Safin Jahan versus Asokan KM, popularly known as the Hadia case of 2018. In this case, Supreme Court upheld that adults' right to choose their partner, including same-sex relationships. So an adult have the all right to choose their partners. That can be same-sex partner also. So in this case, Supreme Court reaffirmed that individual autonomy and freedom of choice is one of the key aspect of fundamental rights of individuals. Next important case is Navtesh Singh Johar versus Union of India case of 2018. In this case, Supreme Court struck down section 377 of APPSC, which had criminalized the consensual homosexual acts. So basically, Supreme Court had decriminalized consensual homosexual acts between the adults through this judgment of Navtesh Singh Johar case. So in this case, Supreme Court recognized the rights of LGBTQ plus individuals of their equality and dignity. The last Supreme Court judgment related to the transgender right is Supriya Chakravarti versus Union of India case of 2023. This is the latest judgment where Supreme Court has interpreted where there is right to marry is a fundamental right or not, especially right to get the legal recognition of marriage of same-sex couple. Is it a fundamental right or not? That was interpreted by Supreme Court. However, Supreme Court said there is no fundamental right to marry in India. So this was a setback to the transgender community that Supreme Court denied to give the recognition of getting legal recognition of right to marry as the fundamental right. So these are some of the important cases related to the transgender rights.